How to change emoji style on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change emoji style on Android phone. First then open Play Store and then type here the font, and now select first app here the font and click open, and scroll down. Here you will find emojis. Just select here any emoji style you want, like this one, iOS, and then click download and then apply here. And here we'll find second method. Click on it and then click open theme manager, and now click on your profile here in the bottom corner, and here we'll find downloaded. Then just select text styles, and here we'll find iOS. Now just click on it and click apply, and that's it. Then just go back, it will be saved. And that's how to change emoji style on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.